Hello folks, today I'm doing a construction inspection but on a house that's well over 100 years old. And what I'm going to show you here is we got the old Douglas fir floor joist here, which we've talked about in other videos. And actually, there's great, if Douglas fir great, they do have a tendency of drying out after 100 years and will start cracking. But what I want to talk to you about is what is not code anymore. See how my joist, or see how my joists are spliced. You see that, and then you can see here's another one here. And you can see that, let's see if we come over here, here's a better one right here. See my steel beam? So it's resting over here, but this is just nailed onto this. And this absolutely is a problem. And it's not, there's supposed to be, this here joist right here is supposed to go all the way over and rest on top of the steel beam, naturally. And of course, this one here goes this far. Now, code, or actually it's not really as much a code as it's a union test, framing test, than that we're not supposed to have our tails extending our steel beams more than 3.5 inches. The reason is if they ever start to tip or warp, then you don't want them to smile face up and lift up the house, which is actually kind of happening in some of it. But look right here, you can see that we're not, you know, we're not even right sitting on this one. We don't even have our steel beam. Look at that. We had to put shims on it because of the way it's tipped and warped up on us. Look at this, look at this. You're not gonna believe this crap. Wow. Anyway, this is kind of bad, you know, this is an old house. Been like this for a long time. Big problems, shucks. They gotta fix this. This is a problem. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching our videos. I hope that you enjoyed them as much as I enjoy sharing them. And hit like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. That way you could be the construction expert within your family and your friends. They could come to you. And if you see something like this, just smile and say, oh, I've seen some idiot do that crap before. Thanks, folks. Hey, thank you for watching our videos. God bless you. Hit like, subscribe. We appreciate you. God bless.